Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to the Angry Grandpa Show in this video, Diet Coke and Mentos Explosion. I'm sure everybody here has already seen it, but I'm going to react to it anyway. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Okay, Dad. The idea behind this is you're going to have to, they say it's impossible to hover your face over the bottle and dump a handful of Mentos in at the same time.
That's ridiculous.
There's something about muscle spasms or something. You can't do it. It's impossible.
That's bullshit.
You can't do it.
That can be done.
Well, you have to prove it.
It can be done, goddammit.
Well, Grandpa is doing the Mentos Hover Challenge.
Well, what? The hover.
It's called the Mentos Hover Challenge. You can't do it. It's impossible.
What I gotta do?
All right, here you go, Dad. Now listen to me. You gotta... Alright, hover your face. Before you put them in, you gotta put your face over the bottle.
You gotta put my face over the bottle.
Over the bottle.
Can I finish the cigarette first?
Put your face over the bottle. Like that. And meanwhile, you hold it.
I gotta hold it like this?
Yes, I guess.
Now what, Bob? You just tell me.
Hover your face and put that handful of Mentos in the Coke. I guess you couldn't do it, could you?
You good.
What?
Give him my goddamn one. Son of a bitch.
He's mad.
What are you doing?
Get that goddamn monkey out my goddamn yard. Get those goddamn brain.
I put a little bit of Mentos in your Diet Coke. So what?
You put Mentos in my goddamn Diet Coke, you son of a bitch.
Are you this mad for real?
Goddamn right. You get a goddamn nose full of Mentos and Coke.
Are you like it now again? Run!
I ain't goddamn playing. You have my goddamn neck. Oh my goddamn
Stop! I'm sorry.
The goddamn car and get the fuck out of my yard.
I'm sorry.
Don't you, are you ever come the fuck back over here?
Let's go, Michael.
Don't do it again, bitch. You'll end up wearing it.
Just a little bit of Mentos.
It's just, for fun.
Okay, what's he doing?
What are we doing? Why am I...
What's happening? Hold on, Bridget. What are you doing?
Come on, get out, goddamn. Come with you, goddamn ass. It's time you got an ass. Get out of here.
Go, Bridget, go!
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or to the Angry Grandpa Show's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post, and share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlist. Give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. Please everybody, please, please everybody, please. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.